Whoa! It's exploding!
Explosion!
We're about to go hike up that. Oh my gosh.
Noi si va lì su quella cresta lì.
Noi si va, ora andiamo per vedere la colata lavica più sul lato ovest.
There's a volcano erupting over there. We are currently climbing on top of an active volcano, Mt Etna in Catania, Sicily, and you can see the smoke up there. That's the volcano. And on the way up we saw it erupt, so wish us luck. So this is crazy. Look how steep it is. I don't know if you can tell. This is extremely steep, climbing up Mt Etna. Steepest mountain I've ever climbed. It's crazy. Oh! Here we are. Oh, that would not be fun to fall down, I'm just saying. Look at that. Here we have the active volcano, and then you can see right there is lava coming down the mountain where the smoke is coming. It's lava. Hello, Olivia. How does it feel to be on a volcano?
I talked to him.
Cool. Erin!
I'm really comfy.
Living on the edge.
Yeah.
How do those rocks feel?
Oh, so toasty.
So toasty. What do you feel like you're doing?
Living life on the
Living life on the edge, Krista! How does it feel to be on a volcano, guys?
It's amazing.
Amazing! Oh.
Good to be up here.
It's really creepy seeing lava coming down at you. Not gonna lie, it's a little exhilarating. Look, we have to go down this. So. I don't really know how this is gonna go. Oop, 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 don't go down, Nicole! Now this super steep hill. So this is how we go down. You basically just slide. It just slides down. Oh, Lacey! See, I lost my foot. Oh, there it is. Here we are in Syracusa in Sicily, and I am literally standing where theater was born. This is the birthplace of theater.
But at the beginning of the 17th century, a very famous painter called Michelangelo da Merisi, also Caravaggio, arrived in Sicily, where he was an artist, but he was also quite a bad guy, with a lot of trouble with the law, so he was just escaping to avoid a capital punishment, to be killed. And he spent a few months here in Syracuse. And while he was here, he met some archaeologists, some other painters, and he was invited to do a tour, like you are doing now. And he arrived here, and probably he did the same face that you did when you saw the grotto. Oh my gosh, that's impressive. I imagined him with very roughy hair, drunk, full of artistic visions, and he said, "Oh, that's the ear of Dionysus. I can see that it was like an ear."
Try to find correlation in your brain between the smells you smell and in here and the words, you know, those smells correspond to in your brain. It's not an easy thing to do. Some people cannot do it. Some people are natural. So, you know, those are the best sommeliers usually. There's, as I say, out of 40 people, there's going to be 1 or 2 who are good.
So, here we are at a vineyard, a beautiful vineyard in Catania, and we just had a picnic after climbing that volcano. It was exquisite, and it's just a beautiful vineyard. It's absolutely gorgeous. a well.